yun dapat samahan, all boys in the row. Actually, I don't eat manginasal too much. I mean, I'm not used to eat a roasted chicken. And this week, this is my third time going in Manginasal.